Hi, my name is Tanya, and today I will show you how to quickly set up appointments, reminders, and schedule available time in your calendar on your LyfQuest platform. Starting from the left navigation menu, you will select the Calendar tab. When selected, you will be presented with the calendar page. On the calendar page, you can set up appointments, reminders, and available time. When you click the Add button, a window will pop up. Here you will select the Appointment tab. Next, you will give your session a title. In this case, we will call it Coaching Session. Select the date that you will meet with your client. Next, select the time and whether this will be a repeating meeting or not. And you can repeat it for once a week, bi-weekly, once a month, every weekday, or every day. Next, select your location. Here you will type in the address of where you're meeting if it's a face-to-face meeting, or your default virtual meeting will be in this location position. Next, select your client. Here you can give your client a color code. That way, when you look at your calendar, you can automatically find them. It's easy visual management. Next, you can add a note. And this note will show up in their invite. Now you can save it. And here it is on our calendar. After sending out your invite, your client will receive a push notification. After they have signed into your platform, this is what they will see on their homepage. This coaching session that we just set up for August 22nd at 12 p.m. When they click this button, they will see that it is a Zoom meeting and the time. For this client, we also have a meeting set up on the 13th at 11 o'clock. This meeting is an in-face meeting. Here we have put in the address to where we will meet, and a map will show up. This map will also show up on your client's page, and you will see the note. Now, your client will see this information on their homepage. Here, tomorrow, which is the meeting at 11 o'clock, you will see that your client will have a map of where the location is and your note. Now you also have the ability to set up available time. Back to the window pop-up, you will select the next tab, which is available time. Now you want to give it a title, available time, select dates when you are available, and times that you are available. We'll set some available time here as well. Now, this is what your client will see. Let's say they needed to cancel this appointment or they wanted to reschedule. They will hit the reschedule button, and now they can see the times that you are available to reschedule. They can select the time. They can add a message. And send that to you. Now, you'll see that you have a message. You can click on it and see where it takes you, and you can view their request. Client C has requested a new time. You can either accept or decline. If you accept, It'll change on your calendar, and now the time that they were previously scheduled has become your new available time. Now, let's say your client has a meeting here at 8:45, right here, and they want to reschedule. To reschedule. Now, we can take a look at your calendar. So we got a note here. We click, and now we showed you in the previous example, you can accept, but you can actually decline this request. When you decline the request, your client will see the same time still available, that nothing has changed. Now, they can go and they can cancel if that's what they want to do. Notice here is your late cancellation policy shows up because they're within the 1 hour window. And they can add a message. And they can request cancellation. And here you see, there's a note. Client C has requested a cancellation less than 12 hours in advance. You can accept or you can decline. If you accept, it goes away. If you decline, it stays there. And that time will have to stay and they need to meet. Or you can go ahead and accept and they can pay whatever the price is for your cancellation policy. You will also see on the screen a subscribe button. This button is currently not available. It's a feature that's coming soon, but you'll be able to sync your Outlook or your Google Calendar to your LyfQuest app. And that way you will have all your meetings, all your whole life right here in LyfQuest. So that will be coming soon. Now, the last thing I want to show you is how to set yourself a reminder on your calendar. Pick the time and day, and you can rename what this reminder is. I'm going to remind myself that it's Tina's birthday. Give it a time. It does not repeat. I'm going to take off my virtual meeting. And I'm going to leave everything else empty and give myself a note. And save it. And now I have a reminder for myself in my calendar, along with all of my appointments and available time. Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.